This man! How do we hear of this? God have mercy upon us.
Five days, it is a road. I know go back, I know go plan. I know really much to go back. I know really much to come. The road you don't spoil. The people ask why I know really much to open the road. While I do no back, no foot, nothing. Government no look at the people. What you call government be this? I beg government, the beg place, beg government. What you call look at these people?
Okay, here is an image. You can decide to use a photo, you can decide to use video here. All you need to do is just capture a high tension or camera a high tension. Then after that, you can now mount your camera on a tripod, alright? But do that on a landscape. Look at what I did now. Then after that, you can now walk in, okay? You walk in, then you make sure you are in line, all right? Don't move out of the position. Walk in line. Move step by step. Make sure that your movement is in line. Not you walk here, you walk here. Your movement should be in line, all right? Then you record that. After recording it now, okay, you can now walk out, all right? Your movement should be in line. How many minutes, how many seconds you want, but it should be in line. Then after that, you can now walk out. Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. CapCut, new project, click on photos. Import the background you want to use for this video, guys. Then you click on it, then you expound it. After expounding it, you adjust it the way you want it to be. Then you click on it now and adjust it to the duration of your video. You are the one that know how many seconds, how many minutes you want your video to last. After adjusting it or dragging it, you can now do your necessary adjustments, okay? After that, then you come to the beginning of the video. Go to the beginning. When you get to the beginning now, just click on overlay. Click on overlay, guys. Add overlay. Click on video again. Import your video to workspace. This is your video. Click on volume now. Then you reduce it to 0. Mark on this good and go back. After that, now you go and look for remove BG, guys. Look for remove BG. Click on remove BG. Auto remover. Allow it to remove completely. You can see it's applying, it's removing, okay? Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there, okay? Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Just subscribe for more updates, okay? Locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Guys, thanks for being there. Thanks for being there. Thanks for supporting us. We want to say we love you, okay? Keep supporting us. You know you need to grow now. We need to grow. Support us to grow. Thank you very much. We are still on removing BG. You can see it's applying, all right? Allow it to remove completely, okay? Now it has removed completely. Mark on this good. Then you go back. Let's locate where we want the video to start from. Immediately you throw your leg like this, click on it, then you make a split. Look at it, click, make a split. Delete this first part, we don't need it again. Click on this one and take it to the beginning of the video. Then at this point you click on it and drag it on top of the cable wire. Look at it. Then you expound it. Make your necessary adjustments here. Guys, take your time, just calm down, relax. Make your necessary adjustments here, All right. After adjusting it now, we are going to go to the beginning of the video to play it to see what we have got. All right. But just calm down and do your necessary adjustments. Now you can play the video. Let us see what we have got. All right. Just relax. Look at you there now, working on high tension, working on cable wire. Look at you there. Just relax and watch the video play. As you are watching the video playing now, take your time to observe. If there is any adjustment to make, then you do your necessary adjustments. All right. Can decide to make your own short. I decided to make my own play for this long. All right. I just decided to make my own play for this long. You can decide to make your own short. It is your own choice. Look at this place. Immediately you get here now, before you turn, click on the video now. Then we are going to be making a split here. Click and make a split. All right. Immediately you turn, before you start coming back again, you are going to be making another split. Make another split. Delete this middle part. Then click this one to go and align with the other one. Align it here. Make it align. Okay. Then immediately it comes here now. You can see yourself coming back. Can decide to make your own shot. I just feel like making my own like this. All right. Look at you coming back now. All right. Immediately you get to this point where you that style, you click here. We are going to be making a split to remove the unwanted part. Click and make a split. Click here and make a split. Delete this one. Click on this one and delete it as well. At this point, I feel and I know and I believe that this video is ready. What will be remaining here now is for you to add your sound effect, your light effect, every other necessary effects. And after that, you export your video to your gallery, share it to your social media handles. But maybe out there you are saying, I don't know how to add my sound effect or any other effect. I want you to put me through. At the description of this video, my number is there. All you need to do is just go and DM me. Then I'll put you through on how to add those things. All right. But there is another thing you need to know about this video. Remember, you used auto remove BG, which is a pro feature now, and you are not a pro member. If you try to export this video like this now, you cannot be able to export it. But don't worry, we have got you covered. In one of my videos there, I've recorded on how to use CapCut Pro features for free. Just help me go and watch that video. Then you will learn on how to remove, to export your video. Then you come and export your video with ease. Share it to your social media handles. Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. All right. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Go and locate your notification bell. Click on it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorial. See you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.